Today I draw a very easy drawing for you. Today I draw 3 lollipops. First of all, draw 3 circles for lollipops. I like lollipop so much. Do you like lollipop? It's damaged the teeth, so eating lollipop rarer. The second lollipop is half. It means that someone bit it. Draw the lines in the last lollipop. Wow, that's awesome. That looks so beautiful. Yummy, yummy, it's so tasty. Look, our drawing is almost ready. Let's coloring with me. Do you like coloring? Draw the lines with scale. Draw the sticks of the lollipop in the first lollipop. I like coloring, so I color this drawing. Do you like the pink color? That's my favorite color. Pink color looks so beautiful. So I use different colors. I like different colors in the drawing. Use a blue color in the dots. I use a brown color in the stick. Use a blue color in half lollipop. Also use an orange color. I use a yellow color in the last lollipop. Wow, yellow color looks so beautiful. But eating too much is dangerous. I enjoyed a lot. This is my favorite drawing.